Hi, welcome back to the concluding part of our e-commerce website creation. So we've been able to change the logo, we've been able to change a few things on the menu. We removed the contact us page. The contact us page is now here. Note that the contact us page, though we remove it here, is still going to be in the pages list. So if you go to your Wordpress backend and you click on pages, it's still going to be there, just like this. This is the contact us page, and that's what we want to achieve. So anything they click, when this person click this, it takes them straight to the contact us page. So that is that. Then also, I would also like to apologize for the last video. I know early part of it there was a little background noise, so sorry. It was the noise of the generator, so sorry about that. So you know how to edit this already if you want to edit it, but I think this is even cool, but want it to look Nigerian or look African or look, then I need to change this banner. So what we're going to do now is to integrate an online payment platform on our e-commerce website. It's very important. Though you can enable transfer into the bank, but also online payment platform is very important. So what are we going to do now? Go to your WordPress admin backend. Then click on plugins, then click on admin. So you will search for paystack. So bring it up. So this is paystack Woocommerce payment gateway. So this is what we're going to do. So you click on install, then after installation, you know the next thing, which is activate. So it has been activated. So let's see where that paystack plugin is. Okay, this is it. Paystack plugin. So let's look at the settings. So this is the settings of that's what us here. That's what us here. So enable paystack. Click on enable. Debit card and credit card, yes. Make payment using your debit card and credit cards. So you can leave that, or if you want to change it to any other thing, make your payments pay now. You can say pay now. Pay now with your debit and credit cards. So this one, enable test mode. The reason is paystack will give you a test key and a test public key, so that you can use that if in case you are not ready yet, because paystack will not accept a personal account. You must give paystack a business account before they can give you, because they can give you a real key that you can start using to get money online. But if you don't have a business account yet, then you can just use the test key just to see how it will work. So, and that's what we're going to be doing in this minute, the test key. We're going to be using the test key just to see how it will work. So let's continue setting this up. See payment option, pop-up or the direct. Let's do the direct. Pop-up shows the payment pop-up on the page where the customer to paystack. to make I don't want to restart. Don't redirect me to paste. So pop up. So these ones, when we register, we're going to get this auto complete order after payments. Auto complete order. Remove cancel order or restore card. Remove the cancel order or restore card on the pay for order page. Remove the cancel order or restore. So just check every necessary thing here and you are good to go. So click on save changes. So after you saved save changes, so after we've done this, now we need to get our key. So assuming you remove this one, so when you remove this, it will change to live secret key, live public key. So after you upload your business, your CSC form, your tax identification form, and all other information like that, then they will give you live key and this. Then that's where you put it. But for the basic accounts, you'll be given the test key, which you can use to test your order. So that is that about that. Let's click on save changes. So let's move straight to paystack.com to create an account. It's Paystack. Click on create free accounts. Business name, Farm Connect. Farm Connect Consult Family. So you fill this form just like this. Email address. That's my email address, or I just use my Gmail. So that's my Gmail. Phone number, change your phone number. Password. So you fill in your password. Are you a software developer? Click on any one you want to click. Then you click on create my account. So the next thing is to verify your email address. So come here. This is Gmail. So this is the email for verification. So say confirm email address. So I click this to confirm my email address. Email address. So now I've logged in to my Paystack account. So business in test mode, so you can start using Paystack right away. To activate live payments, submit your compliance form. Can you see now? So when you click on this place, you will get the compliance form. You will submit all the forms necessary. Then let me open. Hold on. Okay, so let me just open it so that. So for you to get the live key and the public key, just like we saw on this place, let me take you back there. So what we are looking for is the test key and the test public key. So go to your Paystack, go to settings. This is settings, click on it. Click on settings. So this is settings. So you click on API keys. See, these keys are for testing only. Please do not use them in production. Do you understand? They are just for testing. So what you do is, these are my own 2 keys. So I have to copy this now. For the test key, click this copy. It has been copied, so I paste it. I'll paste it where I have test key here. Ctrl V. Then I copy the second one. Copy it. Then I paste it here. So that is that. Then click on save. So that's now been saved. So let's check something on our store now. Let's look at men's shoes. So if we click on, let's say click on this. Maybe I saw this and I like it, so I click on this to take you to the next page. Can you see now it's saying 75 add to cart? You click on add to cart. Then you see view cart here. Click on view cart. And to bring you to this page where you see, so it's showing 2. If you didn't choose 2 and it's showing 2, just reduce to 1. So when you reduce it to 1, this price should change automatically incoming. Refresh it. The price should change to 75. It's going to 2 again. It's 1, so click on update cart, so it will update the price. So can you see now the price has gone back? So you click on proceed to checkout. And now our payment platform is here already. So to pay, you have to fill this form. Blah 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 blah. Let's see. Company Nigeria. Company name optional. Name of country Nigeria. Street address. Let's switch this. Lagos. My phone number, this email address they will send information to. Then we use that same one, Farm Connect. So when you fill necessary information, bank transfer, I will choose debit card. So saying save to account, I don't want to save my card, so just continue, place order. So you'll be brought to this page. If you want to use your card, you use your card, use another card to bring your normal distance. You put your normal information, put your card, blah 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 blah. Let's say I can't remember my card. So if you want to use bank accounts, use bank accounts. The other ones, the only one you want to use it. So that's that. So the next thing I would like to show you is how to generate invoice on your e-commerce website. How to generate invoice. For example, when people place order and the order is complete, they make payment, you delivered, you want them to receive an invoice in their mail. So this is what I'm going to show you right away. So remember I told you everything you want to do in WordPress powers by plugin. So We are going to install another plugin. Go to plugin, click on add new. So I'm going to search for invoice. Search for invoice. Should bring it Woocommerce PDF, blah blah blah. Woocommerce PDF invoices and packing slips. This plugin doesn't work with your version of PHP. Learn more about updating PHP. Wow, that means we need to update, but maybe we can use this one. Woocommerce PDF invoices, packing slips, delivery notes. So you can use this. Install this one. It's installing. And you click on activate. So this is what we just installed. So the next thing is to click on settings so that we can check, so that we can edit one or two things on it. So when you come to this place, you click on general. Click on general. You can add your name, your company name, the name that will appear on the invoice. So mine is, what's the name of the website? Alijack Stores. So that's the name of the website. You want to upload an image. Let me upload an image and let's see how it looks like. Let me upload this. So footer, set a footer which will be used across the respective document. Necessary address, sender detail. That's our own address. Payment unit, sender, payment, sales address 320. So you put your address there. City, Lagos. Postal code, let's put the contact number 667. Then view before printing, enabled, blah blah blah. So click on update settings. Say country state is required. I thought I've added it. For country, Nigeria. Nigeria, Lagos. It's Lagos. So that's that. Click on updates. So the next thing is go to documents. So you click on invoice, you do the settings for invoice, open it up. So you say enable invoice, yes. Use order date as invoice date, yes. If you want to choose a different thing, you click on no. Generate invoice for order status, yes. For I want to generate invoice for completed orders. So attach invoice PDF in order email. PDF version of invoice will be attached with the order email based on the status, yes. So enable print invoice option for customers, yes. Let them be able to print. Show print button only for statuses. Other meta fields, contact number, it's okay. Custom logo for invoice, custom logo for invoice, the same logo. So that is that. Click on settings. So it has now been updated. So customize, let me see this. So this is how it's going to look like when somebody receives your invoice. Do you understand? Billing address, invoice, shipping address. From this is your own address. So it's just an example, 80 blah 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 blah. So this is how it's going to look like. So that's that. So now you can generate invoice for your customers. So that is that. So what else do I need to show you? Okay, so let's try and edit our footer right away before I conclude this video. Let's edit our footer. I'm sure with paste tag, can close it, can close this one. So let's edit our footer. So let's go to our, let's go to this place. So I think the next thing is to edit these things that are here. I need to edit these things. So let's go, click on, let's try and see from here. Click on appearance. Where's appearance? Okay, this appearance. Then click on widgets. Click on widgets, open in a new tab. So this is the widgets. So most of the time the footer is always, can you see footer 1, widget builder. Let's look at it. Quick links, quick links. These are the quick links for him for this main menu. Let's put our main menu there. Click on save. So I'm just trying to show you how to get the footer. So all these things, there you have to go to appearance, then go to widgets, then you see all of them. So if you come here also, so you can remove this one and write main menu. So if you click on save, then what's on the second page for her, that's footer 2. This footer 2, let's look at it. Can you see for her? So that's what is there. Let's see if we can change it to, what can we change it to? Maybe we should, what can we do? I was thinking maybe we should bring a video there. Or recent posts. Okay, let's bring a recent post there. Let me delete this one. So let's put recent post there. Recent posts. Number of posts to show. Let's say blogs. Display post dates. Yes. Click on save. So that's how to just walk around. I deleted it and I put this. Let's see if it will reflect. So can you see now? So assuming I have a blog page, I told you, I showed you how to create the blog and how to add it the other time. So assuming I have a blog page, the recent blogs will show here. Can you see? So this is the main menu. Can you see? Home, store, main. can see men, these two are under men, this one are under men. So that's that. So I change this to blog. Like I said, assuming we have blog posts, you see them there. Then this footer 3, let's look at it. Footer 3, you see what we can bring to that place. Footer 3 for a, can delete it. I think, what can we bring to that place? Calendar, categories. Okay, let's bring categories there. Let's bring the categories there. Categories. Display a drop down. Let's display a drop down. Then we click on save. So let's see if there's any change. So now can you see there's a drop down arrow and all that. So this one is already has changed already. This one has changed already. So that is how to, if you want to put a video, you can put a video. Let me see. Okay, footer 4. Footer 4 should be this one. Let's remove it and put a video. Footer 4. And you see now, footer 4 images, 2 images. 2 images. We can delete it. I've deleted one, the remaining one. Can delete the second one also. So we can bring in, let me see if I can bring in a video or a gallery. Bring in a gallery. Just name it gallery. So you can add images. Let me add image from what I have here already. Let me add images. Let me add images. Let me add. Let's just add those 2. Okay, let's add those 4. So I added 4. So let's save it. So let's check. And you see now. See, we've added gallery. So that's how to change your footer, but this footer is too long because of this one. So let me remove it. It's too long, I don't like it. So footer 1. Footer 1 is using main menu. I want to delete it. Let me see what I can bring in. Product search. Let me bring product search. People can search for products there. Let's type search. So save. So let's now you can search for products. So I think that is that about this footer, this gallery. I want to remove something. Edit. I want to remove this. So update, save. So let's see if this how it's looking. So these are footer and that is that. So I think that is just about all that you need to know on this page. I talked about blog. You can create a blog here, and I showed you how to do that in the last video. Please check the last video. All you need to do is create a page. Go to your WordPress backend, click on pages, all pages, then click on add new. So you create another page and you name it blog. Let's delete this sample page. So you create another page and you name it blog. So when you do that, then you will need to add it to the menu. So you go to customize, to add it on the menu, the same way we did the other time. So you click on the menu and you click on this, the main menu. So you can click on add new. By the time you click on add, your blog should be somewhere here. So you select the blog and you click on save. So by the time you do that, the final thing to do is come to your WordPress admin backend, click on settings, then you go to click on settings, and you go to general, reading, then you select this, you select home as home, then post page you select blog and you click on save, and that will be all. So that is all about e-commerce websites. So one more thing before I conclude finally. After every website that you build, not just e-commerce alone, you need to check how mobile responsive it is. That is, how will it look on a mobile phone? This is a desktop, so you need to check that. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Let's see how. So to see how it will look on a mobile phone, all you need to do is click on responsive mode here. So this is how the website is going to look on a mobile phone. You can see that it's not looking good. See these two buttons, they are side by side, which is not very good. Let's scroll down. I think these are still okay. These are okay. These are okay. These are okay. So I think the only problem is this place. So what we'll do is you can select this. When you select this, you need to give space between the two of them. That's margin. The space inside is padding, but outside two buttons like this is margin. So let's give this one a margin button. So go to style. So I want to give it a margin. So go to advanced, So I want to give it a margin button. If you don't want, as you are increasing this one, all of them will be increasing. The reason is that they are linked together here. So if you don't want them to be doing that, you unlink them. So you can see now that let's take this one to, let's link them first and take both and take them to 0. So we want to change only this one, so we have to unlink it. So let's increase the margin. You can see that it's so I think that's okay. So we'll be able to give some gaps in between the two of them. So I think that's nice. So we have this. So it's okay. So I think we've done a good job. So That is that. Remember your contact us page. Remember, contact us page must have a form, and we dealt with that in our last video when we were working on the company website. This is the form here. You can still edit all these ones. You edit it. Okay, let's see if we will do something. I don't want this video to be long. We've done all that already. So to edit this, we have it there, right? Let's say contact us for inquiries or complaints. So email address, you put the email address, then you put every other thing. I think we need socials. What do you think? Socials should be here. So let's come here, search for socials, just like we did yesterday. We drag socials here. So all you do is rewrite is followers for your socials, centralize, you can make it align with this. So you update. So for this one, this form has been created already. All you need to do is go to the WP form on this place, this WP form, and you can just go to WP form. I don't want to go through these things, I'm still going through it again. So this is the form, just click on it. Click on the form. So if you still remember the last video very well, this is still the same thing. So if you want to add one field now, you can add a single line text. You add it. You can add it to this place. Because if somebody wants to order for something, there should be a phone number. You understand? There should be a phone number. So single line text. So this one should be phone number. Description, we don't need description, but make it a required this thing. Then advanced option, make it large so that it can extend across that place. So you click on save. So go to settings, click on notifications, and you put the email address you want. The email address that the user will see, and the email address that the person's mail will go to. So you put the email address, blah 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 blah. gmail.com. So click on save. And what else do you need to see? Confirmations. This is the auto message that the person will receive when they send you. So that's that. Click on save. So you are good to go. And I told you, assuming the form is not on that contact us page, all you need to do is come here, click on use a shortcut, then you copy this code, then you come to this page, then you come you search for shortcode, then you drag in a shortcode. Coming. Let me create something here. So you drag in the shortcode here, and you paste this thing there. You see now that the form is there now. So now we have two forms. So we don't want this. Let's delete it. So that is that. So that is that about e-commerce websites, and I believe you have massively enjoyed these videos. So the last video will be on the bonus courses I promised, and I will do that in the last video, and we will say au revoir to Zero to Hero web design course. Of course, that will not be the end of learning. Learning continues. Anybody that stops learning, that means that person is dead. Do you understand? So learning continues. Go and look for more information. Go online, look for more information about e-commerce websites. And I believe with this, it's going to be your stepping stone. You will build much more bigger platforms like Jumia, like Konga, and all that. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the concluding video. Thanks.